Can you imagine a battlefield of the future? What role does the Type X RCV play in it? As we peer into the crystal ball of the future of warfare, a new player emerges from the fog of uncertainty. The unmanned vehicle, with the Type X robotic combat vehicle RCV in the vanguard. But what drives this shift? Technology has always had a significant role in shaping warfare, from the invention of the wheel, which made the chariots possible, to the development of nuclear weapons, which still hold the world in a precarious balance. Today, we are on the cusp of another technological revolution, the era of unmanned vehicles. Imagine a battlefield where robotic tanks maneuver through the rough terrains, with no human inside them. These machines, with their advanced sensors and communication systems, can spot the enemy before the enemy spots them. The Type X RCV is one such machine. It is a remotely operated, tracked vehicle designed for combat roles, providing a new level of capability. The Type X RCV is not just a machine, it's a game changer. It changes the dynamics of warfare, it reduces human risk, and it can operate in environments that would be lethal to human soldiers. It brings a level of precision and efficiency that human-operated vehicles can only dream of. Now let's delve a little deeper into what makes the Type X RCV tick. It's lighter than traditional tanks, tipping the scales at a mere 12 tons. Don't let its weight fool you. This is a machine built for war. It's equipped with a 50mm automatic cannon and anti-tank missiles. Its electric drive system ensures it's not only powerful, but also stealthy. But the real magic lies in its autonomy. The Type X RCV can operate independently, making its own decisions based on the data it collects from its sensors. It can navigate through the battlefield, identify threats, and engage them without any human intervention. It represents a new breed of war machines, not just tools of war, but participants. With the Type X RCV, the future of warfare might look different than what we have imagined. Now let's delve into the technical prowess of the Type X RCV. At the heart of the Type X RCV is a revolutionary remote control system. This allows the vehicle to be controlled from distances of up to several kilometers away. The operator can be stationed safely behind the lines, minimizing the risk to human personnel. But what's a machine without a strong armor? The Type X RCV is robustly armored to withstand enemy fire. It's a mechanical knight designed to brave the battlefield and protect those who operate it. This armored shell is not just tough, it's also light, allowing the RCV to maintain high speeds and maneuverability. Speaking of speed, this machine doesn't disappoint. Capable of reaching speeds up to 80 km per hour, the Type X RCV can swiftly navigate through the battlefield, making it a hard target for the enemy. The Type X RCV is not just fast, it's agile too. Its mobility is enhanced by its compact size, allowing it to traverse difficult terrains and navigate through narrow spaces with ease. This nimbleness makes the Type X RCV a versatile tool in the field, capable of carrying out a variety of missions. Now let's talk firepower. The Type X RCV is equipped with a range of weaponry to take on different types of threats. From an automatic cannon for taking out armored targets to a machine gun for suppressing enemy infantry, the Type X RCV packs a punch. It's like an armory on wheels, ready to respond to whatever the battlefield throws at it. But the true marvel of the Type X RCV lies in its potential to reshape warfare. By reducing the risk to human soldiers and providing a versatile platform for different missions, the Type X RCV is at the forefront of a new era in warfare. It's a testament to how technology can be harnessed to protect lives and maintain peace. The Type X RCV is not just a machine, it's a revolution in warfare technology. The Type X RCV is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It comes in different variants to suit different needs. Now let's delve into the fascinating world of Type X RCV variants. Each version is a marvel in its own right, designed with distinct features to serve a specific purpose on the battlefield. First off, we have the combat variant. This model is the offensive powerhouse of the Type X family. Armed with a remotely operated turret, it's capable of delivering a lethal blow with pinpoint accuracy. The combat variant's primary role is to engage and neutralize enemy forces, and it does so with an intimidating prowess. Next up is the reconnaissance variant. If the combat version is the muscle, then the reconnaissance is the eyes and ears. This variant is equipped with advanced sensor technology, allowing it to gather essential intelligence from afar. Silent and discreet, it scouts the battlefield, providing crucial information without putting human soldiers at risk. Then we have the logistics variant. This version is the unsung hero of the Type X lineup, providing logistical support to the troops. It's like the reliable workhorse carrying supplies and equipment to the front line. It's not just about brute force and firepower, it's also about sustaining the fighting force on the ground. And finally, there's the command and control variant. This is the brain of the operation. It's equipped with sophisticated communication and data processing systems, allowing commanders to coordinate and control units on the battlefield from a safe distance. These variants aren't just different versions of the same machine. They're unique pieces of the puzzle that, when put together, form a formidable, comprehensive force. Each variant is designed with a clear role in mind, and each brings its own strengths to the fight. Each variant of the Type X Rcv brings something unique to the table, making it a versatile tool in the hands of the military. Whether it's delivering a devastating blow, gathering vital intelligence, providing logistical support, or coordinating the troops, there's a Type X Rcv variant ready to get the job done. And that's what makes the Type X Rcv not just a machine, but a game changer in modern warfare. How can the Indian Armed Forces benefit from the Type X Rcv? Imagine a battlefield where our soldiers are safely tucked away, far from the line of fire, yet they are controlling a fleet of combat vehicles, poised and ready for action. This is not a scene from a sci-fi movie, it's the reality that the Type X Robotic Combat Vehicle or RCV brings to the table. The Type X RCV is not just a machine, it's an extension of our soldiers, providing them with enhanced capabilities while minimizing risk. The primary benefit that the Type X RCV offers is increased safety for our soldiers. Its unmanned nature means that our soldiers can operate it remotely, keeping them out of direct harm's way. It's like having an extra set of hands, eyes, and ears on the ground that can go into dangerous situations so our soldiers don't have to. Furthermore, the Type X RCV brings an impressive upgrade to the battlefield capabilities of the Indian Armed Forces. Equipped with advanced sensors, it can detect, identify, and engage targets with a high degree of accuracy. It's like having a scout, a sniper, and a tank rolled into one. And the best part? It doesn't tire, it doesn't falter, and it doesn't fear. But the benefits of the Type X RCV are not just tactical, they are economical as well. The Type X RCV is cost-effective to operate and maintain compared to traditional combat vehicles. Its modular design means that it can be easily upgraded or repaired, leading to potential cost savings in the long run. So when we talk about the Type X RCV, we're not just talking about a machine. We're talking about a new way of thinking, a new way of fighting, a new way of protecting our soldiers. It's a testament to how technology can be harnessed to serve those who serve us. The Type X RCV could potentially revolutionize the way the Indian Armed Forces operates. It's not just a possibility, it's a reality that's just on the horizon. And it's one that we're excited to see unfold. We've talked a lot about the Type X RCV today, but what are the key takeaways? First and foremost, the Type X RCV stands as a beacon of future warfare. This behemoth of technology is loaded with sophisticated features that make it a force to be reckoned with. Its autonomous nature, combined with advanced artificial intelligence, allows for precise and efficient operations. Not to mention the Type X RCV's impressive maneuverability and endurance, which makes it a formidable presence on any battlefield. Moreover, the Type X RCV is not a one-size-fits-all weapon. It comes in several variants, each designed to meet unique battlefield requirements. Whether it's the recon version, equipped for long-range surveillance, or the combat model, armed to the teeth, there's a Type X RCV for every scenario. These variants demonstrate the flexibility and adaptability of this weapon system, making it an invaluable asset to any armed force. And speaking of armed forces, we cannot overlook the potential role of the Type X RCV in the Indian Armed Forces. The introduction of this advanced weapon could revolutionize the way India conducts its military operations. With its autonomous capabilities and robust design, the Type X RCV could enhance the effectiveness and safety of the armed forces, allowing them to tackle threats with greater efficiency and precision. However, it's important to remember that the Type X RCV is still a relatively new technology. It will undoubtedly face challenges and require fine-tuning as it continues to evolve. But given its current capabilities and potential, it's clear that the Type X RCV is a promising addition to the arsenal of the future. In conclusion, the Type X RCV is more than just a weapon. It's a testament to the power of technology and its potential to redefine warfare. It's a clear indicator of where the future of warfare is headed, where autonomous and intelligent systems will play a significant role. The Type X RCV is a glimpse into the future of warfare, a future where technology plays a pivotal role in safeguarding nations.